$235. Yes, my friends, look, I can prove it to you. Even though it says 215 over there, look. $20 cash tip. And I want you to see something else. This is incredible, my friends. Look. $2 here, $8 here, $5 here, $6 here, $7 here, $9 here, $7 here. And let's get back past that Tesla. Look at that. $5, $11, $9, $12. What does this mean for you guys? This means Uber is actually giving the drivers their tips. God damn, that feels good. Now I'm going to turn the app on and show you what's going on. And by the way, $215 in 7 trips. Plus the 20 cash. $235. That means we might make $300 today. Honestly, if I choose to decide late, I might make $400 today. This Wednesday is going to be the best Wednesday of the goddamn year for all of us. All right, let me turn the app on and see what we got. Before I turn it on, let me show you my settings. Comfort, connect is fine. Deliveries, no. How's deliveries new? Why does this say new right there? It doesn't make any sense. And we'll turn pet on right now. Why? Because I feel good. I feel like taking care of those little furry friends. Now let's see what pops up in the container. It'll take 2 minutes, so I'm going to leave it raw. I'm going to let this run so you guys can see what happens. The time is 2:09 p.m. We're going to let it run raw and see what happens. And while it's doing its thing for the next 2 minutes, let's see how LAX looks. That's not bad, actually. Actually, for the first time in my life, I got rematched from LAX. 186, 190 cars. So that's about 300, and XL is full. And it's 2 o'clock. That means it's not that big. But you know what? Today, LAX has been showing a little bit of the old LAX. I dropped 1 passenger. I got rematched for a pet ride. And I made another $20. Let me show you. We're going to look at our weekly. Oh my God. You know what? I got to show you guys something. From my last update, I'm almost at 700. You know, on my last update, I was at $537. Look what happened. Like, I don't understand this, but you guys can help me figure this out. What is this? Like, I've never gotten $77 from prop, whatever. And not only that, look, the tips have gone up, and this is coming from here. I have no idea how that happened. I have no idea. Someone's got to... Oh my God, that looks like a dick again. My bad, guys. Hey, someone's got to tell me in the comments what's going on. Why is it that I'm getting $77 for Prop 22? I've never gotten that in my life. And look at the hours that I'm driving. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Look. Active for 14, online for 24. I've done 18 trips. If you look at last week... Like, look. I was online for 96 hours, active for 42, 50 trips, $1,454. Why am I getting $78? I mean, I'll take it. I will take it. I'm not going to complain. I'm not whining. But my question to you guys is this. How did that happen, right? Help me understand that. But anyways, let me go back to this week and today and give you a little bit of an update because, look, it's a hot day, guys. It's a hot day. And you already know the drills. I've been driving. I've been online for 8 hours. I've been active for 5 and 7 trips, right? So let's go over here. Okay. Now, look at that. So this right here is a combo ride. At 12:09, I picked up somebody. Oh my God, this is another thing. This guy gave me a tip for $8.84, right? Then he also gave me $20 cash. That doesn't make any sense. How is it that the app is giving me $8.84 and he's giving me cash right here? Is it because Uber's been shaving and they're like, oh, the drivers are finding out, we better give it to them? Because if a passenger gives you a cash tip, why are they giving us $8.84 in the app? Or maybe it's automatically done where automatically they're giving it from the... I don't know. I don't understand this. But I'll take it. Let me give you an update for today because I already did the big video for today. But this is a quick short video. Look, I started at 5:30 in the morning. Right now it's 2 o'clock or 2:12, right? In that time we made $235. My energy is just through the roof right now. I apologize if I'm too happy because, you know, when we make money like this, it feels good. And it feels good to get up early in the morning, work your butt off, and to get paid. Okay, let's get started. You know, the first ride in the morning was in Acton at 5:30, and that's where basically I got $34 with a tip. Second passenger was from Winnecta. It's hard to pronounce, but we're just gonna say Northridge. From Northridge, I took somebody to Camarillo. Camarillo, I brought somebody back to Westlake Village. And then after that, I went back to Camarillo and dropped somebody off at Universal Studios. Now, what happened after that? Let's find out. Okay, after that, we got $13, and the timing is at 11:30. Then I got $25 with the $8 tip. This one I remember. This one was, okay, the $13 was from Burbank Airport to Studio City. And I waited there for, I think, about 30 minutes. The queue was packed. There was nowhere to park. But I was like, $13, shit, get me the hell out of Burbank. Took Burbank for $13. Then I picked up that person from Studio City or North Hollywood. I don't know, it's weird. Some of these cities are right next to each other for $34 and a $20 cash tip. Then I got rematched. This is the best part. Look, I've never gotten rematched from LAX. But this and this is literally LAX rematching me. I didn't even get off the airport. And it gave me a $20 ride, and you know, they gave me a $2 tip. That was cute. 34 plus 20 is 54 plus 1. That's $55 back to back. Now the app is on, and guess what? Nothing has happened. What's going on, Uber? I turned you on. You're not giving me anything. What's going on? Oh, maybe I'm in Torrance. I'm too far away. I think I'm going to go a little bit this way and then slowly drive up. Maybe I'll go this way. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. But I'll let the app decide. And you know, honestly, what happens is when we start driving is when we make our money. It's weird like that. I don't understand that 100%. But I'm going to give you one quick tip before I leave, because I know you guys like my tips in my videos. Okay, let's look at Long Beach. 41. Okay, not bad. 21. So that's 60. How about Uber XL? Okay, so there's about 50 people there, and it's 2 o'clock. 3, 4, 5 is gonna be slow. I check all the airports before I go anywhere. Let's look at LAX. It went up since I started the video. So LAX is a big no-no right now, and Burbank was just horrible earlier today, man. Let's see if it's opened up a little bit. Oh, all of a sudden Burbank has opened up now. When I was there was nothing. UberX is full, but Comfort and XL is showing a little bit of room. You know, I wish there was a way where we make videos and I can upload them or a picture and let you guys know what these airports look like, right? I tell you what Burbank is at, LAX is at, Long Beach, and then you guys tell me, and that way we can make the right decision and know where to go. But anyways, guys, it's a hot day. $215 plus the tip, $235. That means today we should be able to make $300. Who knows, maybe $350. So I was wrong. Earlier I said Wednesday is the slowest. I think during vacation on Wednesdays, it's not slow. So ride the wave. If you're doing good, let me know in the comments. If you're not doing good, let me know why. I'll be more than happy to help you out. There's a bunch of you that are daily texting me, emailing me, sending me screenshots. I love it. I look at it, I analyze it, I create my own videos, and then I try to give you feedback. And honestly, some of you make more money than me and you're asking for help. It doesn't make any sense. One dude drives in San Fernando Valley and makes $1,100, and he drives from Monday to Thursday. He makes more money. He doesn't drive Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. He makes $1,100. And I'm like, bro, I can't really give you any tips. You're making more money than me. Even though I make $1,400, $400 goes to gas, $1,000 goes in my pocket. And if you're driving Monday through Thursday making $1,100, God bless you. You're doing better than all of us. Maybe you should give us tips so I can make a video and help other people. And if you're watching this, I'm not going to say your name because, you know, not everybody wants to tell people. But dude, text me, give me your tips and tricks so I can make a video and help other people out. God bless you guys. And if you found some value in this, if you learned something, let me know, because every video is literally to drive. Oh, no, not drive. Oh my God. Every video I make is to help Uber drivers, help gig workers, and eventually get me to stop driving Uber so I can create more content and, you know, get out and enjoy this planet. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you.